What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to the Tomsu Doubles, which is a memorial tournament for Matt Tomsu's father up in Omaha, Nebraska. It is a random draw doubles, so you bowl qualifying as a single and then you end up, if you qualify in the top 16, you match up with your equivalent seed in the over 45 division. I kind of like the format. Hopefully I qualify for the top 16. Let's get to bowling. He could have not missed. He could have shot 300. Look. All right. Yes. Got it. Well, I'm back at my house realizing I didn't give like a update before game like 4. So we're through 2 games. I shot 250. What I didn't tell you guys is that last night or the night before this, we bowled like a little team tournament, which was 4 games. I tried to throw reactive. I shot 250, and then 2-0. Just, I was chasing it too deep. The pattern was a little flatter in the middle, so as I moved more towards the middle, the pattern got harder. But the goal of today was start out with urethane, and if it looks good, try and play further to the left, keep the speed high, which is exactly what I'm doing. I didn't give up after that 2-teen game. I stuck with it and shot 250 game 2. So we're probably right on pace to make the cut, averaging just a little north of 230. I know it won't take 230 because the pattern's not that easy. I guess I'll rephrase. We're above pace for now. So we're above pace right now. I got 4 more games to go. Hopefully I keep up the good scoring. All right. Well, we got 2 games to go. I'm sitting at 920. The cut score is going to be, I'm probably right on the cut score, so I need 2 more good games. I'm debating switching from the Black Hammer to the Super Cuda, but I can't risk giving up the pocket and shooting, you know, putting myself out of it. So I'm just going to keep moving left, keep throwing it firm, and hopefully get a couple more carries on that 7-pin, because the ending of that last game was brutal. So hopefully better carry this game. Me too. I'm so hungry. I need food. I got one more little check-in. What I didn't tell you guys, and I filmed a little bit of Madison too, is that Madison actually can make the cut going into the last game. She probably needs about 240 to make it. She shot 250, 230 her previous 2 games, and now she's got a chance to shoot 240. So she's got a really good look and a pop to also make the top 16, which is really cool. So hopefully we both make the top 16. At this point, she'll definitely cash. It's just a matter of if she can get in. It was 135, that's a bunch, yeah. I mean, she was 18 back, she shoot 240. We'll be close. Yo! I think it should go the other way. It's gonna be nice game. All right, well, we got a first round bye to match play. I qualified 5th overall. Madison ended up winning her match, which means we are going to bowl Madison. So it's going to be me and Matt Tomsu versus Madison and Darren, and I don't want to butcher his last name, so she's bowling with Darren, who's a super nice guy. So I actually get to bowl Madison to see who can move on to the round of 8. So first round bye gets us to the round of 12, and now the match against Madison to the round of 8. I know I said we were about to bowl, but for all of the match play portion, you guys can catch that in the next video because it is a lot of recording as we bowled well. Yeah, catch it in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. And until the next one, have a great day. Peace.